Performing delete operations in room. We are in the last video of this section 4, video 7. And in this video, we will see the demo for deleting the records that we had fetched in our main activity. So we will implement the delete operations for room database. Let us move to Android Studio and start coding. For the delete operation, we will use the interface method which we will create in our nodelist adapter. And our main activity will implement the interface that we create for deletion. Let us create the delete interface in our nodelist adapter. And after this, we will initialize this listener in the constructor. So for that, we need to pass the instance from our main activity to this constructor. So from our main activity, while we are creating the instance of the adapter, we will pass the context for the listener. And here we will make the main activity implement the interface of listener. And this is my callback for onDelete click listener, in which I'll perform the delete operation. So now in my nodelist adapter, when the delete button is clicked, we will make a call to the callback function of onDelete button click listener by passing the note in the position for which the delete button is clicked. So now in my main activity where I have the callback method for this interface, I'll write the code for the delete operation. But before that, we need to write the methods and the queries in the DAO and the view model. So we will start with DAO. So this is my delete method, which is using the annotation of delete. Now in my note view model, I'll create the async task for the delete functionality like we have done for the insert and the update operation. So we are all set with the delete wrapper method and the delete async task. So in our main activity, we will call the view models delete method. So we are all set with our delete operation. Let us run our code and see if it is working fine. So we have this notes from our previous implementations, and now on hitting the delete button, the note is deleted. So this way we have successfully implemented the delete operation. Now on adding the new note, it is working fine. So we are done with the CRUD operations for the room database. Now I have a concern for the note view model where we have created separate async tasks for the insert, update and the delete operation. So we will optimize this code. I'll create a parent async task class which will be extended by this classes. So here I have created the operation async task class and the insert async task extends operation async task. Here in my class constructor, I am using the superclass DAO and then the do in background operation is performed accordingly. Similarly, I'll optimize the code for update and delete async task class. So it's done. Let us run our application to ensure that everything is working fine even after this optimization. So our fetching and adding operation is working fine. Let us see the edit functionality. This is working too. And now the delete functionality. Yes, this is working fine. Summarizing the points for delete operation. We created the interface for delete and this was implemented by the main activity. And then we wrote the delete query in DAO, and after that we created the async task for delete operation in the view model. A wrapper class in the view model was also created. And then from the main activity, we use this wrapper method in the view model for the delete operation in the callback function of the interface of onDelete click listener. And after performing the delete operation, the updating of the list of data was taken care by the live data. In the next section, we will explore some miscellaneous concepts related to room. So see you there.